Today we are back in McKinney, Texas, looking at this 3,500 square foot house by Bloomfield on a 60-foot lot, and this is their most popular plan. So I'm anxious to see it, and it has been marked down $107,000. So let's go take a look at this. As you walk in, it's kind of got the lower ceilings, and then right off of the entryway is this office. It's a good size office, to be honest with you.
It actually is bigger than I thought.
Pretty big.
Until I walked in, yeah.
Yeah, it's a pretty big office, to be honest. Double doors, so good working space. If you work from home, if you don't work from home, generally speaking, most people, what's nice about McKinney is you've got a pretty good location. You can go east and hop on the 75, that'll get you directly into Dallas, or you can easily 25-minute drive into that Plano, Frisco headquarter area. So you come on in, here we go into the heart of the home. And this has got,
Fireplace.
yeah, this, and what I like about it is, look at it, it's got that nice kind of marble tile that goes all the way up.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
It's got the hardwood all the way throughout, or solid flooring. And then look at how they brought the cabinetry up. This kitchen is a little unique in the sense that we don't normally see these long cabinets. They're all soft close, kind of a cool design.
Yeah, that is nice to have.
It's got a 5-burner cooktop, so you could see, if you saw our video before in the 50-foot, those were in the mid-6s. They had the 4-burner cooktop. This has got the 5, this has got the pot filler. So just a little bit more upgraded. You've got double ovens and you have your microwave. Now this is being offered right now at $820,000.
Kind of nice to have that obscure glass. You can still see through them, but not purely through them. And then you've just got this little space right here for you could put your coffee pot, you could put your air fryer, all of that. There's nothing on this side. It's just that little area, which I think is kind of nice.
Now here is your snack closet, i.e. pantry. Definitely Costco approved.
Good size, goes all the way around on both sides.
Speaking of Costco, you are not too far from a brand new Costco. You got HEB, you've got everything that you could possibly want, restaurants, all that good stuff. All right here within a 5-10 minute drive. So let's go out and back here and check out what they've got going on out here.
They've extended.
You've got a patio, and then they extended it. They said, you know, in the thing they call this an extended patio. This is just an extended slab. But you can kind of see, I mean, this doesn't, in all honesty, this doesn't look that much wider than that 50-foot that we looked at.
No, it really
To
doesn't.
me. It's a good size. You've got good depth here. I like the privacy.
Yeah, I do too.
So,
All right, well, we didn't really show this dining, so let me show the dining real fast.
Okay.
We've got lots of windows in here. You've got a little, area for the side just so people could sit if they just want to sit down for a sec. So now the primary.
well, we're gonna go down, we're gonna go to the right actually first.
Oh, okay.
This particular floor plan has a bedroom down. Here is a
Just a
junk
storage
closet.
Whole nother bedroom.
Yeah, I didn't even see it. I thought it was a closet. So,
Okay, so here is
here's a bedroom.
secondary bedroom.
so you got a couple, like 3 bedrooms down here.
Yeah, that's really nice because we have a lot of clients who want their kids on the same level as them. So
Yeah, I like
Works out
that.
good.
That's a good option.
This is a good sized room.
Let me look to see what we got going on. I thought these were all closets.
Oh, but look at this laundry. This is pretty. They've got nice cabinetry in here, some cool flooring, and then you go around.
It's like a little fridge, like our little Pepsi fridge could
yeah.
fit in there or something like that.
Absolutely. Okay.
So you have a bedroom right here, and then they all share this bathroom. So it's 3 bedrooms down.
And then this bathroom. So these two bedrooms share this bath.
Correct.
Okay.
Then you come through here, and then look at this is like an oversized master or primary.
Oh, and they did the ceiling. That's so nice. when they do
Yeah.
that. You've got
Just
the
gives it a little more character.
yeah, you've got the nice little bench area. You've got windows on either side of the bed. That's always a nice to have.
Now this is a different, unique kind of layout in the ensuite. I'm curious to get your take on it.
Okay, let me go take a look.
Now this is their most popular floor plan, as they say. What do you
Oh,
think?
it's kind of fun.
Yeah, it's different, right?
Big L.
Yeah.
I like the tile that
Tile
they did
all the way up.
That's
You know, this is
really
an inventory
nice.
home, so usually they don't put in like all this detail, but that's nice to have.
Wow.
And then they put in an extended, huge shower. This shower is enormous.
Oh, it really is. Took the tile all the way up in that too. This is really pretty.
Yeah,
That is a huge shower.
yeah,
It's because they don't have the bathtub, so they have plenty of space.
correct. Now, the closet, I'm curious to see what you think about the size.
Oh, it's way smaller than I expected.
Yeah. For two people?
I don't know what it would do. All right.
All right, let's go upstairs.
Okay. Okay, so right when you come up, you've got the game room right here.
All right, one thing about this game room, if you watch us at all, if
So-
you haven't watched us, we're Andy and Patrice. Every day at 5 o'clock, we do these tours, we're hunting for you. But if you do watch us, you know what I'm gonna say, and that is that noise pollution that is going to flow over these railings with the game room. It's just something to keep in mind, not a deal breaker by any stretch. A lot of people like it, but it's something to think about.
Here's your media room.
This is a good sized media room.
It's huge.
Let me see how they place it. They place it to where it's facing this way.
Yeah, they did.
Why would you do that?
Well,
You're taking off a third of the room.
I've seen a lot of models that have it like that. It is interesting.
All right, guys, this is not how you do it. You know, put the screen right here, all that. You got your chairs.
I don't know. You could still do a good sized sectional and stuff, and then put a bar area. You know, bar area over here, a sectional.
Yeah,
right
you
where
could
I'm
do it.
at.
I mean, it's just,
I don't know.
if I have that much space, the longer I have in front, the larger screen I can have.
Ah, I got it. Okay.
All right, here is a bathroom, full bath that is for
Okay.
guests,
Another good size.
as well as this room.
These are good sized rooms, though.
Yeah, they're-
These aren't your little 10 by 10s.
And they've got, you know, good size walk-in closets too.
Oh yeah. Okay. And now we have more bedrooms.
Yeah, I mean, that's the fourth bedroom, so we have one more.
Should be a
Linen.
linen. Yep. And then another
Linen.
linen.
And then you've got the full bath that is this guy's bathroom.
Another big room.
Yeah, with another walk-in closet, but this one has a window in it. All right, so there you have it, another tour by Andy and Patrice with Texas Model Home. We're bringing you a new tour every single day at 5 p.m. Central Time, where we are hunting deals for you guys. So I know that's important in today's life, and if that is important to you, definitely hit that subscribe button, that bell, so you're alerted every time we do a video. And if you have any real estate plans in Dallas in 2026, reach out to us. The best way to do that is through the Dream Home form. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.